Friends, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome from Goldarhat Secondary School. Today I discuss with you about article of class 7. I am MD Mustafizur Rahman, Ripon, Assistant Teacher English, Goldarhat Secondary School. So let's start. Before discussing article, at first we should know what is article. Generally, A and the are called article. A and the. A and the are called article. If we want to classify the article, we can find two types of article. They are indefinite and definite article. So A and the is called indefinite article and the is called definite article. Indefinite and the is called definite article. So today we learn where a and an is used, and in our next class we will learn where the is used. Dear students, look at the board. Here I have written some words, and by this word we try to learn where by this sentence, and by this sentence we try to learn where article is used. Look at the first sentence. He is a clever boy. He is a clever boy. So, attention please, clever. The first letter of the word clever is C, and C is consonant. So, if the word of a sentence starts by consonant, we have to use A. Generally, we have to use A before that word. So, he is a clever boy. Sorry, he is this clever boy. Here, in the gap, we will write A, because I told you that if the word of a sentence, if the first letter of a word is consonant, then we have to write A before that word. Generally, we have to write A before that words. And in the second sentence, appointment, A is vowel. So if the first letter of a word is vowel, then we have to write an before that word. So here we have to write an in the gap, because the first letter of the word appointment is vowel, is A, and A is vowel, and before that word we have to write an. In the third sentence, Mr. Rahman is honest man. Here A is also a consonant. So, according to the rule, we should have to write A before that word, because the first letter of this word is S, and S is consonant. But we cannot use here A. We have to use, sorry, we cannot use here A, we have to use N. So, maybe a question arises, why? Because if the first letter of a word is H, and if H is not pronounced, then we have to write N instead of A. I repeat, if the first letter of a word is H, and we know that the Bengali pronunciation of H will be Ho, will be like the Bengali alphabet, Bengali letter Ho, but here we will not say it honest. We have to read it honest. So here H is, the pronunciation of the H is absent. So if the pronunciation of the H is absent, we have to write N instead of A, though H is a consonant. In the fourth sentence, he is historian. He is historian. But here we have to write A, because H is consonant and the pronunciation of the here H is pronounced. Here H is pronounced. Historian. Ho, Bengali word, Bengali letter Ho is pronounced here. So we have to write A according to the rule that we have written in the first sentence. In the fifth sentence, Rajiv is university students. Rajiv is university students. Here U is a vowel, and I have told you that if the first letter of a word is vowel, we have to write N before that word. But here we have to write A instead of N, because if the first letter of the word is vowel and it is pronounced like U, we have to write A instead of N. I repeat, if the first letter of the word is vowel and if that word is pronounced like U, we have to write A instead of N. So here university, here the first letter of the word university is U and it is pronounced, and U is a vowel and it is pronounced like U. So we have to write A instead of N. In the sixth sentence, I saw one-eyed man in the streets. I saw one-eyed man in the streets. We know that O is a vowel, and according to the rule, we have to write N as before the word one. But here we have to write A, because only if O is used to write what? only if O is used to write 1, we have to write A instead of N. But except 1, any other words made by O, we have to write N before that word. Look at this sentence. I find dash orange. So here the first letter of this word is also O, but we have to write N. Only we have to write A if the word is 1, but except 1, other words made by O, we have to write N before that word. Next, number 8, he is dash BA. BA. Here, BA, that means Bachelor of Arts, is an abbreviation. BA is an abbreviation. If the first letter of abbreviation is pronounced like consonant, we have to write A before that abbreviation. I repeat, if the first letter of abbreviation is pronounced like consonant, we have to write A before that word. And if the first letter of abbreviation is pronounced like vowel, we have to write N before that abbreviation. Here, he is dash BA. BA. So BA. Here, E is pronounced. If we pronounced BA, E is a vowel. B এখানে here B is a consonant, so we have to write A after the abbreviation before the abbreviation BA. In the last sentence, last year I got dash MA degree. MA. Here, if we want to pronounce MA, we have to pronounce A. So A is a vowel, and we have to write N before the abbreviation MA. N, because N is A is a vowel. So I hope you understand where A and B is used. So try to stay at home, keep fine. Thank you very much. Maskan.